So, the program over here that we are starting with will again involve this 2D array. That is, maybe we declared an array like a 100, where it will mean that there are 100 arrays maximum, and in each array there are 100 elements maximum. You can think that way, or you can think of one array having 100 rows and 100 columns maximum. Now, the target over here is to shield few numbers in the matrix. What do I mean by that? Say the matrix is 3, 4, 2, 7, followed by 2, 9, 8, 4, followed by 1, 5, 8, 3, maybe this much. So, 3 rows in total and 4 columns, that is 4 numbers per row. 3 columns, 3 rows and 4 columns, that is 4 numbers per row. Shielding, what do I mean by shielding? What I mean to say is, over here few numbers in this matrix will be shielded to 0. Now, which numbers? In this example, let us consider the diagonal of this matrix. See, the diagonal involves 3, 9 and 8. This is the diagonal of the matrix. Check out, 3, 9 and 8. This is a diagonal. How is this diagonal? This is traveling diagonally, 3, then 9, then 8. If you have to think in terms of programming, then this is A00, this is A01, this is A02, this is A03. So, similarly, this is A10, this is A11, this is A12, this is A13, and so on. This is A20, 21, A22 and A23. So, which numbers am I talking about? Consider the diagonal. Say this is 3, 9 and 8, the diagonal. That is A00, A11 and A22. I repeat, A00, A11 and A22. This is the diagonal of the matrix. If you consider this diagonal, the first shielding can be like this, that convert the diagonal to 0. That is, output of the program, if you talk about your program after executing, this matrix will convert to 0, 4, 2, 7, followed by 2, 0, 8, 4. Check what I have done. I have only considered the diagonal 3 that has been converted to 0, shielded. 2, 9, 8, 4. This 9 converted to 0, 2, 0, 8, 4. Shielded. The diagonal being shielded. 1, 5, 0 and 3. So, the diagonal shielded. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So, the diagonal has been converted or shielded to 0. So, how to do this program? See, the program was already, the hint was already there when I explained. What is this? A00. What is this? A11. What is this? A22. So, which numbers shielding am I looking for? I am looking for A00 followed by A11 followed by A22. That means I will have to basically shield every AII. Is not so? How long? For all rows. See, 3 zeros I need to make. So, in the first row I need to make 1 0, in the second row I need to make 1 0, and in the third row I have to convert one number to 0. So, if I talk in terms of programming, this is the 0th row where I need to convert one number to 0. This is the 1th row where I need to convert, and this is the 2th row where I need to convert one number to 0. So, have a look at this 0th row. In this 0th row, which number do you need to convert to 0? A00. Have a look at this. This is the 0th row. Which number do you need to convert to 0? You need to convert A00 to 0. Is not it so? This is A00 which you are converting. What is this? A11. Is not it so? A11. That you are converting to 0. What is the row number? 1. Which number are you converting to 0? A11. So, you automatically understand what is this row? What is the row number of this row? 2, Which number are you converting to 0? This number. What is this number? A22. Isn't it so? So what is the thing you are doing? You are going through all the rows. There are 3 rows. So you have gone from 0, 1, 2, 3 rows. That is 0 to m minus 1. If m is the number of rows, say over here 3 is the number of rows. So you have gone from 0, 1, 2. That is 0 to 3 minus 1. Similarly, if there are m rows, you need to go through a for loop from 0 to m minus 1, and every time if I is the row number, you need to convert aii to 0. Is right? So 0 row number a00, 1 row number a11, 2 row number a22, so I row number aii. So every time I should vary, so I should vary in this for loop from 0 to m minus 1, and every time aii has to be converted to 0. It is as simple as that. Now what is this program that I have already written? I have already asked for enter the number of rows and columns. I have scanned it within m and I have scanned it within n. The number of rows is in m and the number of columns is in n. I have said enter the values of the matrix row wise, and I have entered those values one by one in every row and I have scanned it in aij. This much part of the code you are doing every time in all previous programs involving the 2D array. Now what? Now the conversion of the diagonal or shielding of the diagonal values to 0. Remember, after these the array will change. So aii for every I varying from 0 to m minus 1 should be converted to 0. So let us do that. For I equal to 0, I less than m, that is up to m minus 1, I plus plus, that is for all rows. M is the number of rows, remember. M has been scanned as the number of rows. So I am going through all rows one by one, and in every row I don't need to go for each and every column. I only need access of one value. Which value? aii. In the row I need to convert aii to 0. If you remember this, in row 0 you needed to convert a00 to 0. In row 1 you needed to convert a11 to 0. In row 2 you needed to convert a22 to 0. Similarly, in row I you need to convert aii to 0. You don't need to access each and every element. So only this much your program will be, you have already got your program solved, and you can say that if you print the array now, if you print the A array now, then you will be getting exactly the output that you wanted. But let us do one thing. Before you print the converted array, let me print the original array also, so that you can actually verify, you can compare the differences. So how to do that? Very simple. This part, if I just copy this part and then print this part, say by just paste this part. So that part was copied, I just paste this part for printing the array. So I have just copied this part, so I just don't need to type. So instead of scanf, this time there will be printf. I am going to print the elements of the array before changing those to 0. So firstly you get rid of this printf, it is no more needed. Printing the values, this is not needed. I just want to print the elements of the array. So here I need to write print, and at the end you need, outside the inner for loop, you need printf/n. You can very well understand what I have done. I have just printed the array once before this array was converted. Because you remember, the array will be shielded, that is the diagonal values will be shifted to 0 after this. So before you convert the diagonal values to 0, I just print the array once, so that after converting the diagonal values to 0, if I again print the array, I will be able to compare that what changes have been done. So the array has been printed. Now after, so here I can write, after I can just print the array once more at this point to see whether the shielding has been done or not. The shielding has been done over here. All rows, for all rows, that is I varying from 0 to less than m, all aii has been converted to 0. And I once more remind you, here if it is row 0, you want to convert row 0 to a00. If it is row 0, you want to convert it a00 to 0. If it is row 1, you want to convert a11 to 0, and so on. So this has been done. Now I want to print. So printf the array after shielding the values of the diagonal. The array after shielding the values of the diagonal. So what will it be? I will just print the array once more. You remember, just a /n is needed so that the printing starts from next line. So what will I do? I will again just copy this part. It's the same array you are printing, only the shielding has been done before that. This is the same array you are printing, so the same piece of code. Sorry, very sorry, just deleted it. Instead of copying it, I just deleted it. So I will just do the needful once more of copying this. Cool, insert. I will just paste this once more. Sorry for this. What are the changes? This was a scanning program, you remember. So just this change you need. This part you don't need. You need to delete this part. And here you need to printf /n. Printf /n. So the same thing has to be again copy pasted for printing the array after the shielding. So once again you copy it and you paste it over here. So the same piece of code you can check out. I've just run the same piece of code, but this time the printings, you remember, here you are printing the array before shielding. Here you have printed the array before shielding. Here you have printed the array after shielding. This scanf should be converted to printf. Sorry for that. Printf. Here also this scanf has to be converted to printf. So this is for printing the array before shielding. This is for printing the array after shielding. So once more, going through this program, you remember, you have asked the user to enter the values of the matrix row wise. Individual rows you have scanned by scanf. Then you have printed the array. After scanning the array, you have just printed the array, and after every row you have printed this /n, so you have printed the array. Now after this, you have converted the individual rows, diagonals of all rows to 0. After that, you have again printed the array, that is the array after shielding the values of the diagonal. So you have just printed once more. So now you can say that your program is ready, and you can run this program and see that what you intended has been done. Let me run this program. I, j, m and n needs to be declared. Yes, they are all declared. In fact, an extra variable sum is declared which you don't need. Let me run it now. Alt R, enter. 5 errors. What errors? Oh, okay. I just did not comment this portion, which is again needed, very much needed. So this is the commented portion. This portion needs to be commented. So let me run it again. So, okay, number of rows and columns. So my old value 3 rows and 4 columns. So 4 values in the 0th row, 2, 6, 5, 3, 2, 8, 9, 7, 4, 6, 7, 2. So see, there is some error. What is the error I have done? Oh, okay. I have printed, but because I copied it, that's why copy paste is very dangerous. See, you have copied it from scanf, so instead of printing, it is just ampersand is not needed, but I have, instead of deleting this ampersand, I kept it. In printf, ampersand is not needed, remember. So that is the error. Anyway, the more error you make, more you learn. That's an important thing. Enter the number of rows and columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. So 4 values in the 0th row, 2, 6, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 4 in the 1th row. In the 2th row, 1, 7, 9, 3. So now, see, 2, 6, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 4, 1, 7, 9, 3 was the array before shielding. Array after shielding the values of the diagonal, see 0, 6, 7, 5, 8, 0, 5, 4, 1, 7, 0, 3. See, the diagonals have been shielded. A 0, 0, 2, yes, it has been 0. 8, 7, 5, 4 is now 8, 0, 5, 4. 1, 7, 9, 3 is now 1, 7, 0, 3. However, the array does not look good because you have not given the gap. It's better that if for printing, while printing, you put a gap over here. This gap between two numbers makes your array look better. So let me run once more. This time maybe 2 rows, 5 columns. Let's see, enter the 5 values in the 0th row, 3, 4, 2, 7, 6. and 1, 2, 9, 8, 7. So 2 rows, 5 values in each. 3, 4, 2, 7, 6, 1, 2, 9, 8, 7. But the diagonal is only the 3 and 2. There are no other diagonals. So see, 3, 4, 2, 7, 6 converted to 0, 4, 2, 7, 6. 1, 2, 9, 8, 7 converted to 1, 0, 9, 8, 7. You can just check one more thing. Say 5 rows this time and 2 columns this time. What will happen? 5 rows and 2 columns. So what will happen? See what happens? 2 values, 2 and 3. 2 values in the 1th row, 8 and 7, 4 and 6, 9 and 1, 9 and 1, and 2 and 8. See, before shielding, 2, 3, 8, 7, 4, 6, 9, 1, 2, 8. After shielding, 0, 3 and 8, 0. See, in the 2th row, I have talked about A22. A22 does not exist. So, yes, a garbage value has been converted to 0, but A22 does not exist. So, yes, the diagonal has been converted. 2, 3 converted to 0, 3, 8, 7 converted to 8, 0. 4, 6, 9, 1, 2, 8 remains as it is. The diagonal does not pass through this row. So, the program has been done properly. Now, let me make one small change to this program. What change am I talking about now? See, the shielding was done previously like this. Here I want to change the shielding a little bit. Again a shielding program, but this time shielding will be a little differently. What sort of shielding? Diagonal will remain as it is. 3, 9, 8 will remain as it is. But all numbers below the diagonal will be shifted. This 2 will be shielded. This 2 is 0. This 1 will be converted to 0. This 5 will be converted to 0. See what have I done? Which one is the diagonal? 3 followed by 9 followed by 8 is your diagonal. Your diagonal is 3, 9 and 8. 3, then 9, then 8. Check is your diagonal. A line drawn straight diagonally. All numbers below the diagonal converted to 0. How to do that? See, this 3 is A00. This 9 is A11. This 8 is A22. So check out what is this? A10. This is A20. This is A21. So see, up to A11, all elements, that is just before, up to A11, all elements converted to 0. Up to A22, all elements converted to 0. Apart from A22, up to A22, all elements 0. Had there been one more row, say 2, 7, 8, 4, another row, how will this be converted? 0, 0. Which one is the diagonal? This 4 is the diagonal, remember. So 0, 0, 0, 4. This will be converted to 0. See, the diagonal over here is 3, 9, 8, 4. So below the diagonal, everything converted to 0. How will you look at it program wise? A00, over here nothing. A11, up to A11, that is starting from 0, that is starting from column number 0 up to A11, everything converted to 0. From the 0th column number up to A22, all elements converted to 0. Similarly, in the 3rd row up to A33, all elements converted to 0. Let me write it. 0th row. Okay. This is the 1th row. In 1th row, what has happened? All numbers from A10, which one is A10? This one is A10. From A10 to A10 itself. A11 not converted. Similarly, you check out this 2th row. 2th row. All numbers. Again all numbers from A20. Which one is 20? This number is A20. From A20 to A21. Similarly, this is the 3th row. What has happened in the 3th row? All numbers from A30 to A32. So do you see what is happening? What am I doing? I am converting all numbers starting from A. If it is the 1th row, A10 to A10, 2th row, A20 to A21, 3rd row, A30 to A32. If it is the ith row, then I have to do for all the rows. For ith row, what to do? All numbers from AI0 to AI minus 1. Is not it so? All numbers to be converted to 0. So this small thing of conversion to 0 should change. That is from I equal to 0 to I less than m. When I am in row I, what do I need to do? Convert all numbers from, I am in the ith row, so AI0 to AI I minus 1 to 0. See, that is, sorry, to 0. Convert all numbers from AI0 to AI minus 1 to 0. See, for the ith row, 1th row, 10 to 10, 2th row, 20 to 21, 3th row, 30 to 32. So 3th row, that is 30, so I0, 2, 3, 2, I minus 1. This is up to 2, 1, this is up to 1, 0, so I minus 1. That is what I am doing. So converting all numbers to 0. For that row, starting from AI0 to AI minus 1, what to do? I need a for loop. I need a for loop because all numbers are needed to be converted. So for j equal to 0 to j up to j equal to 0, which one I am referring to as j? This is j. Starting from 0 to I minus 1, that is up to less than I. Is not it so? J equal to 0 to j equal to I minus 1. So j equal to 0 to j less than I. J plus plus. All numbers converted to 0. Which numbers? AI, j. Where j is varying from 0 to less than I. So from AI0, j starts from 0. So from AI0 to j I minus to I minus 1, everything gets converted to 0. So that is what you wanted. I repeat once more. You want to convert all numbers from AI0 to AI minus 1 to 0. So that is what I have done. J started from 0. So AI0 to 0 up to j plus plus, that is j less than I. So I minus 1 has been converted to 0, all numbers. So yes, again the array has been converted. So array after shielding the values below the diagonal, not of the diagonal, the values below the diagonal I have printed. So this program should again work fine. Let me run this program and check. Alt R enter. Should it run? No, there is one problem. You remember, the commenting has to be done. This part of the array, needs to be commented. This is not a part of your code. So this comment should be removed. Okay, so this is the commented part. Now you want to run this program. Let me run this program. Alt R enter. Enter the number of rows and columns, 3 and 4 again. So 1, 2, 8, 6, 3, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 9, 1. So see, before converting, 1, 2, 8, 6, 3, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 9, 1. What is the diagonal? 1, 5, 9 is the diagonal. Below that, everything converted to 0. 1, 2, 8, 6 as it is. 0, 5, 4, 2. 3, 5, 4, 2 converted to 0, 5, 4, 2. Anything below the diagonal. 0, 0, 9, 1. 8, 5, 9, 1 converted to 0, 0, 9, 1. So your program is done. You can understand very well what if I need to convert above the diagonal. That is this 2984, 1583 which it was present initially. Just one last thing. 2784. everything above the diagonal. What is the diagonal? 3, 9, 8, 4. Above the diagonal converted to 0. So 0, 0, 0. Here also, this is 0, sorry, this is 0, again this is 0. So see, everything above the diagonal converted to 0. This is 3, 9, 8, 4, everything above the diagonal converted to 0. You check it. So you check out what? 0th row, which numbers are you converting now? After A00, that is all numbers from A00 to A0 what? 3. 1th row, which numbers? All numbers from, not from A11, this is A11, from A12. Isn't it so? This was A00, from A0, all numbers, 0th row, all numbers from A01 to 03, not 00. 01 to 03. 00 remains as it is, 00 remains as it is. So 01 to 03. Here it is, this is A11. So this is from A12 to 13. Isn't it so? All numbers from A12 to A13. Next, you check this. This is A22. This is A this is 21. This is A22. So all numbers from A23 to 23. Isn't it so? And here 3rd row, nothing converted. So if I have to generalize, what do I need? Which numbers do I need to convert? From, if it is the ith row, 0th row 01 to 03, 1th row 12 to 13, 2th row 23 to 23. So ith row, I plus 1 to I3, not 3. 3 is what? 3 is the number of columns. 3 is the number of what? Number of columns. So what is that? N. So it is basically from I. This is I, remember. This is I plus 1. And what is this? This is I. And what is this? This is N minus 1. Number of columns are 4. You have gone up to the number of columns. The last row is the last element in the row is the last column, is not so? There are 4 columns. So you have gone up to A03. That is N minus 1. This is I. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 is your ith row. Again, this is 0, 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, I plus 1. So what changes need to be done? You need to convert. For converting this A10, one small change. You will start from J equal to I plus 1. And you will go up to J less than N. J plus plus Aij equal to 0. That is what you are going to do. And the rest of the code is, this part of the code is commented. If you run this code, everything else remains fine. Only thing you are doing is, you are varying I equal to 0 to I less than M. So for each row you are moving. For each row what you are doing, starting from I plus 1 to less than N, that is up to the last number, you are converting everything to 0. You are starting from I plus 1. You are avoiding the AJJ. You are starting from AJ. You are starting from I plus 1th element of that row. Is not it so? Let me run this program again. Alt enter. 3, 4 again. 2, 8, 7, 6. 2, 6, 5, 4. 1, 3, 9, 8. So 2, 8, 7, 6, 2, 6, 5, 4, 1, 3, 9, 8 was the array initially. Now see, 2, 6 and 9 is your diagonal. Above that, everything converted to 0. 2876 is 2000, 2654 is 2600, 1398 is 1390. So this is what you have got. You have converted, you have got exactly what you wanted. I will request you to go through this entire code once more and try to understand every step what I have done, and you will definitely get to understand this whole thing. Try to write the program yourselves again, and we will come back after taking a bit of break. We'll come back with the next program. Thank you so much.